Hello, AEA members. My name is Brian Hart, the Sales and Marketing Director for Jupiter Avionics. Last year, we only introduced one product, the Eclipse digital audio system. This year, Jupiter has 12 new products to introduce, so let's get going. To kick things off, we are proud to introduce the JA72-510 and 610 glove boxes. So these glove boxes have two USB-C charging ports, and the JA72-610 incorporates a Bluetooth module so you can connect your phone to the audio panel and take calls. Similar to the previous slide, but without the glove box enclosure is the JA74-510 and 610. We cut off the top of the JA72 and made it more compact for saving space. There are only 3 Zeus high with dual USB-C chargers, and just like the other JA72-610 model, it has Bluetooth incorporated. Next up, we have the JA94-R62A. This is a dual 6-channel mixing amplifier. With 2 mixers having each 6 channels, you get up to 12 channels total. This one box has 2 inputs and 2 outputs, and it's also TSO certified. Next up, we have our JPC power converter. It provides a stable 28 volts of output power for a wide range of input voltages. This allows your 28-volt equipment to operate during engine startup and other low-voltage situations. It also facilitates the installation of any 28-volt equipment in a 14-volt environment. Next up is the JLD panel mount light dimmer. This lightweight panel mount dimmer is designed to control your aircraft instrument lighting. JLD provides a low-profile design for a number of location options in the cockpit. From our blanking plate product line, we are introducing 4 new styles. First is the JA71-HL7, which is a 7 Zeus high blanking plate with hook and loop Velcro. Next is our JA71-RC2A, which is a round clamp plate for installation of an instrument clamp. Next plate is our JA71-TT1. This plate makes it easy to mount Trig's product line of compact transponders and compact radios. All right, I've got a question. Have you ever needed a place to put your drink in the cockpit? Well, now you do with Jupiter's cup holder. The JA71-CH1 is easy to install and keeps your drink secure. Last but not least is the JA71-PP1X. Jupiter has heard all the horror stories about broken avionics screens. Here are 2 different versions protecting our Eclipse digital audio system. The one on the top is straight, and the one on the bottom is at an offset angle. After gathering some feedback, we've learned that some customers would like to use the protector bar as a hand rest when programming. So, I guess all sorts of different uses. In closing, Jupiter would like to thank all the AEA members for their continued support, especially our sole distributor, Dallas Avionics, that has a full catalog of our products in stock and ready to ship. Please visit our booth 721 to see all of our new products on display, and have a great show.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 66th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Orlando, Florida, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors: